In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt for meal prep planning to save time and money. I'll start by opening my browser and heading over to the Chatgpt website to get our session started. I have my specific meal prep requirements already prepared in a notepad to save time, so I'll copy the first prompt, which details my family's size, our strict budget, and our preference for simple Filipino dishes. I'll paste it into the chat and hit enter to see what it suggests. Chatgpt immediately gets to work, designing a comprehensive one-week system. It even includes a localized grocery list and a high-level Sunday prep routine to get me started. To get even more specific and organized, I'll go back to my notes and copy a second, more detailed prompt. This one asks for a granular Sunday routine that also accounts for packing school lunches for my kids. Once I paste and send this, the AI breaks down the entire process, explaining exactly how to prep each item, the best way to store them in the fridge, and how many days each dish will stay fresh. Next, I want to dive into the actual recipes and get creative ideas on how to repurpose leftovers so the family doesn't get bored. I'll copy a third prompt asking for batch cooking instructions for 5 specific Filipino dishes. I'll send that over, and now I have full, easy-to-follow recipes. This includes estimated costs for each ingredient and clever repurpose ideas to turn Sunday's dinner into a fresh lunch for the kids later in the week. To help me manage my kitchen time effectively, I'll copy another prompt asking for a strict, hour-by-hour Sunday timeline. I'll paste this into the chat to get a step-by-step workflow that covers everything from the 1 p.m. setup and chopping session to the final cleanup and storage by 4 p.m. Finally, I'll copy one last prompt to generate a complete, categorized Palenque shopping list. I want to make sure I don't miss anything and that I stay within my 2,500 peso weekly limit. I'll paste it in, and the AI provides a perfectly organized list by market section: meat, vegetables, and pantry staples, making my Saturday market run faster and much more efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.